Let's get your Lorex camera connected. First, power on your camera and wait for the LED indicator to flash, usually blue, signaling it's ready to pair. Download the Lorex Home or Lorex Secure app on your iOS or Android device and create an account. In the app, you'll either scan the QR code located on the camera or manually enter the serial number. The app will then guide you through selecting your Wi-Fi network and entering your password. While WPS might be an option, manually entering your password is generally more secure. After entering your info, the app will pair to the camera. Give it a few moments to connect. Once connected, verify the live feed and motion detection to ensure a stable connection. This initial pairing should now take under 5 minutes with the updated Lorex app version 3.5 Plus. Lorex cameras primarily use the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, which offers better range compared to 5 GHz. Ensure your camera is within approximately 30 feet of your router and free from significant obstructions. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to check the signal strength at the camera's location. Aim for 50 dBmers or better. To avoid interference, keep the camera away from microwaves and cordless phones. If you're experiencing dropped connections, try switching to a less congested 2.4 GHz channel using your router settings. For larger homes or multi-story setups, consider using Wi-Fi extenders. If pairing fails initially, reset the camera by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Finally, ensure your router's firmware is up to date and that ports 80 and 443 are open for app communication. If using a mesh network, be aware that signal hopping can sometimes cause issues, requiring adjustments to your network configuration.